How to add the American Express card to Apple Pay. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In order to add the American Express to Apple Pay, here is how you can do it. First of all, log in into your Amex app and log in. After that, on the account section, you can tap on Apple Pay option. Choose the Amex card that you want to add. It could be your Amex Global card or any other card of your choice. Then input the security code, which is usually found on the front of your card. After tap on Add to Apple Wallet and then tap Next and wait for the process to contact the card issuer. Read and accept the terms and condition wisely and you will receive a verification code on your mobile. Enter the code in the app and tap Next. Once that is done, the step is completed. Likewise, for the wallet, you can just tap Open your wallet app and tap on the plus icon. Tap on Enter card details manually and select your American Express card. Fill in the details, and once that is done, you have successfully added Amex card and Apple Pay. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.